CSAV Systems here at Foundation Academies Charter School, where we installed a Valcom paging system.
They were very efficient. They came on time every day. They were very much in contact with me throughout the days. They just did a wonderful job. They did not disrupt anything in the school.
You guys helped tremendously in regards to all calls and in regards to calling students that we may need to see for early dismissal or to come and pick something up. You guys gave us a perfect way to be able to call a classroom to instantly get a child. Parents don't have to wait, teachers don't have to be interrupted for class. It was great.
We actually sat with the secretaries and they showed us how to use it. They showed us by actually, making the calls, and we called down the classrooms, and they led by example and gave us a good tutorial of how to use the system. We would definitely recommend the system and your installation and just